the versatility of the programming of the 2024 Chevrolet Trailblazer.
That's all.
Looking for my Trailblazer.
Key. Smart key.
Control unit. Okay, this is the top. So, initially, we read the password. After that, we go to...
So you need to press.
So, and here we have...
slot for the key.
Under this mat, although it is indicated everywhere that the key is located, or rather the slot in these cup holders, quite often there's information that it's in the upper one, but actually the slot is in this spot.
So the pin code has already been set here automatically.
Okay, now we need to wait 12 minutes, and after that time, we will continue recording.
Okay, 12 minutes have passed them. Okay, pressed.
So, let's check now if the key has been taken or not. I always check
By pressing buttons. So,
the buttons work. No, we do not want the next key. So we need to turn off the ignition. And now press the ignition button, the push to start button, for 12 seconds. So we turn off the ignition as it asks us to. We do everything strictly according to the instructions.
So,
Trying to start. All done. The key is programmed. Absolutely new car. Only 5,000 miles it has traveled. In general, it is a fairly simple procedure to add a key, even in theory, or when adding a key to a Chevrolet Trailblazer of the year 2024.